everyone. Welcome to the big grand finale of the Creed Silver Strike. I'm Mary Beth Rowe. For the next 3 hours, I guarantee we will keep you on the edge of your seat. There are so many brand new items you have not seen all day that you will get a chance to see right here tonight in the next 3 hours. Plus, almost everything you will see in the next 3 hours, it'll be the last time you get to see it all night, except for maybe a couple pieces. But I will tell you right now, this will be the time to buy because this is the last big silver day before we hit Christmas time and holiday season. So this is the time you want to be shopping, gift ideas, treat yourself, all of that good fun.